How to remove numbers from name in Excel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you some example that you can use and you can easily remove the numbers from name or contain in Excel cell. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, so guys, let's start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Excel sheet and you can see I have three example here. Okay, one we have name, and then we have plus sign and numbers like phone number, and second we have name and numbers in brackets, and third we have serial number with name. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how you can remove the four numbers from name. So just select that text or just simply hit the control plus F. Okay, come to the replace, and here we have first we have name, so we need to first in find what, under the find what, we need to enter first space. We need to give one space because we have text first, then we need to enter the plus sign because we have plus sign here, and for number we need to enter the star. Now simply click replace all, then that type of format numbers will be removed. And second, for this if you have name with the numbers in brackets, go again in control F, go to the replace button. So in first we have text, so we need to give one space, then start brackets, give the enter the star, then close the bracket and click the replace all, then it will be removed. For third we need to go same here. For numbers we need to insert star. For dot we need to enter the dot again, and now here we need to give one space for text to text. Now go to the replace all, and this number will be removed, the serial number will be removed. So that is how you can do. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.